some kind of good boy? Huh? Are you? I think you are the one.
Bought a set of hole dozers. I think I can punch all kinds of different holes now. Wow, this is too much stuff.
Say when.
It's perfect, babe.
That's not when. You're supposed to say when.
When?
There you go.
Alright, where's little buddy? Haven't been up here in a while.
It's bouncy.
Yeah. Alright.
Nice. Easy.
Use these as knee pads again.
That's why you need those built-in knee pads right there. Every time you get down on your hands and knees, automatically knee pads in there.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
11 by 13. Nice.
There you go. Thank you.
Oh shit.
Easy.
11 by 13. Alright.
Alright.
That'll work. Oh, man. Dope. Looks pretty good. May need to hit this corner with a hammer. Alrighty. I need your help in just a second.
Okay.
I'm gonna take this up. I'm gonna set it down where it's supposed to go. I'm gonna check you. I should take this marker in my pocket and mark these holes that already exist. So that way you can pick it up and then pre-drill the holes on this guy.
Okay.
I'll leave this marker here.
That was a thicker bead than I was expecting.
I cut it a little bigger.
Underneath and hold it up before you close it out. No? Okay. Well, hurry up, shove some rivets in there. Line it up. Use 2 of them.
Yeah, I'm about to.
You're gonna sit on it? Okay. Alright. Ooh.
This rivet out. I don't know if that's gonna go well.
I mean, I feel like it's basically pointless if you don't. Next to impossible my ass.
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all.
You go push hard, hard. Do you want me to go underneath and press up?
No, I mean, I'm pushing it down flat.
Okay. Holding a weapon.
Huh?
This is so big, it feels like I'm holding a weapon.
What's wrong? What's wrong, sweetie? Is it cold? You wanna go inside? In just a minute, okay? So, the reason why I'm trying to cut this massive hole for this little blue, I guess, little junction box is because we're not going to do spray foam on lower than this side of the frame rail. This will just be foam board right here before our wall. So I'm going to leave a cutout section here on both the wall and the foam board, so that way this panel is always accessible. So if we ever need to change out the outlet for whatever reason, we can do so. We can run new line in there. Kind of just leaving the option open to ever be repaired. So this I'll put some adhesive on. Just stick it there. What are you doing? And yeah, then I'm gonna use aluminum rivets to rivet the outside outlet onto the bus. Yep. Hey, coffee. You doing some? Alright. Sorry, they were wanting to come inside.
That's fine.
Alrighty. It's looking good.
Boat hatches are done. Windows are done. Fan's half done. That fan has the cover made for it, but
Yeah.
can't put it up yet.
Yeah, my heat shrink butt connectors came in on Saturday, so we don't have them yet. So
I'll be doing those right before.
yeah. So next weekend will be the final prep weekend. I think we're gonna finish. I think everything looks great. So
Better finish.
So
It's kind of not an option.
yep. So that's all for this weekend. We're tired. We're gonna go to bed.
No, we're gonna eat some chili.
Eat some chili.
'Cause chili's done.
Then go to bed.
Then go to bed. Yeah.
Yeah. So, all right. And next weekend we'll finish this up, and Monday hopefully we're taking the bus to get it spray foamed.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Why do you keep saying hopefully?
They said the 6th, but I never put it past people to be like, oh, actually we need to
jerk
wait.
us around a little bit.
I'm a little nervous about it,
I don't like it when that happens.
but he seemed for sure. You know, he seemed positive.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is just one of those. Give them a little bit of pressure, and they'll come through. So we have paid. So
Yeah.
alrighty then. Well, see you next weekend.